Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And welcome to my channel. Those of you who follow me regularly know that I'm going on a trip Thursday, that's probably the day this will be posted, but we're just going to the East Coast. So we're just going to travel with CARRYON. I thought I would share with you some, not all, of the things that are going to go on the CARRYON. Now first off, this is my new bag I got from LUG a few months ago. Got all kinds of stuff. I already did a video on this. So you can look back through all of my videos and watch the video on it. It's a LUG. But as you know, when you fly CARRYON only, excuse me, you've got the suitcase that you're dragging. It has to go, up above. And then if you've got one of these, that's your two items. So what do you do about a purse? Well, I decided to bring this new LUG purse I've gotten just recently. And I'm going to share with you switching from my regular size purse, Vera Bradley, to this LUG one and show how well it fits in there along with a couple other things, So let's get started with the purse switch. First off, I need to get all these tags. Hey, Lucy. Lucy's suspecting something because the suitcases are on the bed in the guest room that she has kind of claimed as hers. Between the two straps, I decided to use the striped one this time. Let's get this out and attach it. Oh, there we go. And I'm not going to use this little thing that came with the purse. I just don't feel like having that on there. So let's put this one on my lap. The big one's going to sit next to me. We'll start with the outside. Now, see, I'm not putting everything I put in here. I really skim down because I don't want to have a heavy purse. But one of the most important things is I need to be able to fit my little handheld for my iPhone, and it's got little legs, in case I want to put it out somewhere, let it sit and record me. I don't think I'll be doing too much recording, but I want to make sure, that this is with me. So this can just go down in there. Then the outside pocket, which I've got one on here. Okay, perfect. Of course, I always travel with Kleenex. You never know when you might need it in a public restroom. And then I also carry couple of these little wipes. These are stallmates, excuse me. And it's for, you get in a public restroom somewhere and you want to freshen up because it's probably going to be hot over there and humid. So I'll take 3 of these with me just in case I need them. And what else is in there? I guess that's, well, cute little personal pad in case I have an accident. I think that's it. And also, I will be adding, in fact, I'll just put this one in there, a little lens wipe. But I'll add a couple of the little moist ones that I use. In fact, there's one over there. So that's all I'm going to empty out from that. Oops, looks like I got it caught in the material, caught in the zipper. There. Okay, the other side doesn't have anything in it. The little flap there doesn't have anything in it. Oh wait, this does. Okay, normally I always have some of this with me, and I think I've got a new one that I throw it in there that I'm gonna take because it's not really anywhere to have it outside handy, but trying to cut down on the size of things. So, gotta bring my sunglasses. Those down in there. Now, last week was it, or a couple of weeks ago, when I did my purse switch for the month, let's see, I did did away with my wallet and put certain little things in little, so that when I'm going somewhere, I can just grab the ones I know will pertain. So this is the one that's got my ID, and it's got my ATM card, my credit card. So of course that will go. And then this is the one that's got my, this is all my meds. So if I'm ever in an accident, you can't speak, that'll be the day. Got that on me. And it's got my, my Medicare card, my health insurance card. So these two will be going with me. This one's got like the extra stuff, like, here, my CVS use often card, stamps, Costco, kind of the odds and ends of cards. That I won't take with me. I'll take these two. Okay. That, in fact, let me put my, oh, it's the wrong one. Oh, I see Bob just, oh, that's right, I need to check in. Hold on a minute, I'll be right back. I'm back. My hubby, little message came up along the side here. Don't forget to put your boarding pass on your cell phone when you check in. I forgot to check in. He's golfing or probably on his way back home, so I thought I'd better quick do it. He's always so worried about me, and you see, he has good reason to be. Anyway, where were we? I don't know, but here, we're loading the purse. Let's continue. He keeps sending me messages. I was just reading it. Okay, so let's see, we decided not to send that one. Now, in my big purse, I've always got this because I've got like extra little things. I don't think I need all the extra little things in here. Don't need my, my nail polish because I just got my toenails done yesterday. I don't think there's anything in here I need to bring except maybe a couple of pens. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't need that. So I'll bring my couple of pens, so I'll probably get one at the hotel, but in case I need one before that, that's all I'm gonna take out of this little handy dandy bag. So let's see, where should I put that? Maybe there's a place to put it in here. Not really. Yeah, there is, but I'm just gonna lay them down the bottom. Okay, my little appointment book, don't need to bring that. Wipes. Need to bring wipes. Put that in there. Now, of course, I've got a mask in here, but I'm going to bring other masks along just in case we need to wear them. Of course, I'm going to wear them on the plane. Checkbook, don't need to bring the checkbook. Okay, here's the cute little antibacterial thing that came in one of my boxes, little spray thing. So I'm going to bring that. So let's put that in one of the, let's see, like a little slot. Little slot, okay. And then this real cool, neat smelling came in my box the other day from Moss Hills Bluegrass. It smells terrific. I'm bringing that lotion with me. And some Tic Tacs. See, I'm putting all those in this little side pocket. Started sneezing up there, so I should have looked at my nose. Floss, because I am forever getting stuff in my teeth. It can drive you nuts if you got to sit that way for anything. Okay, my nail clippers. Let's see, everything else. It's gonna bring my vanilla bean chapstick. And let's see, I don't really have a lipstick in here. I'll have to get a different one. So that's it. And then what's in this inside thing? Nothing. Got all this stuff. everything out of the way. Okay. Perfect. So now, see, it's not very full, not real heavy, but, you know, I can fit, of course, my cell phone will go right here. Easy to get to. I'll probably also put my ID. I'm not sure. Well, because this will be in there. I don't know yet. I could even put my ID in here till I get on the plane, because I'm going to have to pull out my phone anyway to check in. So, how will it fit? Let's see. If it's down in there, there's still plenty of room for other things like this. My travel-on little carry bag thing that I showed you the other day in a video. And of course, my cell phone, my iPad will go in there. And that will fit perfectly. It can either go, you know, right in the main part of the suitcase, or it looks like it can go in this outer part to make it easy to, let's see. Yeah, make it easy to put in there. So, you know, I don't want this to be too heavy because I'll end up having to carry it around. So, oh, and then I also wanted to show you this. I like to bring one of these empty glasses with me now. Now, you know, TSA will look at it and, oh, there's something in it. No, there isn't. But I want to make sure it fits, because when I get where I'm going, I like to have my own container with me, my own water bottle, so that I can just go fill it up and, you know, take it upstairs to the room where I'm staying at my son's, or, you know, easy for the hotel. So see, that can go right there. Let's see, the other side bigger. Maybe it's not quite. I mean, yeah, it's big enough, I guess. But if I decide that it's kind of in the way, I'll just put it down in the main part of it, up in the corner. Yeah, that works. So otherwise, what else I'm putting in there is a book. I actually will read a book. When I'm on a plane, that's when I read a book. Oh, what else? Now, my cosmetic little bag thing goes with my my Travel Pro suitcase, or, you know, it's one of the roll-on kind to fit up above. It came with a little travel bag, and everything can fit, and you can zip it right out, put it out there for TSA, and put it back. So, other than that, let's see. Of course, I'll be bringing some little snacky items, just a few. The rest I'll put in the suitcase. You know, I'll bring maybe 6 on the plane, and then the rest I'll put in the suitcase. So that's about it. I'll get more into it later today when I really start packing. So what do you think? You know, I think it'll all work out pretty well. This is kind of a tester or precursor to our big trip we're taking in July to Europe, of which I'll have this carry-on bag, but I will have the bigger suitcase. So if you remember, well, you wouldn't remember, but when we made our trip in January to our cruise, I had the bigger Vera Bradley, one of these carry-on bags. And on my carry-on suitcase, it was just a little too big to fit down comfortably over the handle. And it kept kind of, you know, wanting to flop off to the side, even though, you know, the little, you know, pocket thing was just so snug and tight, it was hard to get it on. It was just kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm trying this one out, and I'll let you know how it goes and what I'm going to end up using, you know, on the bigger trip. So comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific day, and say prayers for me that our flight is safe. I love you all. Bye.